Installing the WB500 is a straightforward process. Inside the box, you'll find all you need for a secure installation. All tools and components are included for a smooth installation by a qualified electrician, saving time on-site preparation. Now, connect the cables step by step following the wiring diagram. Use an industrial socket for quick connection. The unit comes pre-wired with a 2-pin NTC, which provides overheat protection for the plug to keep you and your family safe. Alternatively, if you choose to hardwire the input cable through the inlet hole, you can disconnect the 2-pin NTC cable. Let's get the charger ready for wall installation. Finally, mount the charger on the wall, secure it, and power it up. Simply present an RFID card to start charging or manage settings via the Rheidon Plus app. Rheidon Tech, better charging experience.